Hi, my name is Dr. Christine Jokisch. I'm a vascular surgeon and I practice with AdventHealth. As a vascular surgeon, I treat the full spectrum of vascular disease in the arteries and the veins everywhere other than the brain and the heart. The technology in the field of vascular surgery has tremendously changed over the past decade, allowing us to treat vascular disease with minimally invasive approaches, including stents, balloons, and catheters. This allows us to treat patients who may otherwise not have been candidates for surgery in the past. Growing up, I always really enjoyed the sciences, and I also wanted to be involved in helping others. So being involved in medicine allowed me to collaborate with others to treat patients and their families. The advantages of being part of AdventHealth is that we're part of such a large, diverse network of providers. This allows us to collaborate and work together in order to treat the patient and offer the best quality of care.